Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney Balloon Learning Centre. As always, I'm Tess and we are working on balloon fundamentals. So today I'm going to show you how to do an apple blossom. These are a utilitarian part of ballooning. It's pretty essential to learn and I'm going to take you through it step by step. It's pretty easy, don't stress. All right, so I have here a 12-inch. You can do it with a 12-inch or a 5-inch. They apply in different ways, but the technique is always the same, okay? So we're going to inflate our 11-inch, but we're not going to put too much air in it. What you'll find, the more air you put in it, the harder it is to get the push through. So you have to practice with it a little bit to see what size you want. Okay, so we are going to leave it at this with just a bit of air in there. You're going to take and tie it off, but you want to tie it off very close to the end of your nozzle or neck, whichever you call it, okay? So tie the knot, but then have it slide close to the ending of your neck. You can see there, I've got a lot of slack because that slack, some people like to, elongate it if they want. I don't really find it necessary, but you can absolutely do it if you want to. Find your bottom or the drip end of your balloon. You're going to push this excess latex from the neck all the way through. I find it easier to sort of prepare my hands to receive it on the other side. You're going to put it all the way through. You can see I'm poking it through and then grab it with those fingers. Pull your finger back out. Now, my special trick and tip is to spin it a bunch of times, okay? Take and spin it. One, it uses up some slack color in the balloon, okay? And it gives you more to tie onto. You're gonna take a 260 scrap. The technique on this one is to hold it with your index and thumb. In between your middle finger and your index, you hold that the 260, okay? It's an extra set of hands to hold it. Well, not an extra set of hands, but an easier way to hold it, okay? Take this now, you're going to stretch it, and you're going to come down and go all the way around that little nub you've created, okay? And go around, I like to go around about 5 times. You're going to hold it. You can see I'm holding it with my middle finger, and I'm going to tie that off. Not once, twice, because these are used oftentimes as connection points, okay? So if you just do it once, it has a high probability of coming undone, more so than if you do it twice, it's not going anywhere. All right, so there is your 260 to connect it, tie it into anything, or tie it together to make a chain of them if you choose. All right, and that is the apple blossom. I hope this video helped in your journey of ballooning yourself. Bye for now.